Hello and welcome to Jewellery Rescue. I'm Kat and today I'm going to show you how you can change the hooks over on your pre-loved or thrifted earrings. So when you're buying second-hand earrings, you might want to change over the hooks. Sometimes they're absolutely fine, they're clean, but you just need an antibacterial clean, in which case I like to use these alcohol wipes, and I will link those in the description for you as well. These ones, their hooks have started to get some green verdigris and you wouldn't want that in your ears, so I am going to swap those over. It's really simple. All you're going to need is obviously your earrings, and you might want to give those a clean first. I will link in the description as well my ultimate guide to cleaning vintage and pre-loved jewellery. You will obviously need some hooks and you'll need some pliers. They don't need to be fancy ones. This is a really simple, quick job, and you're probably only going to need one pair to do that. So lots of different types of hooks on the market. I like to use surgical steel hooks because they're hypoallergenic for most people. They are quite a dark silver, you can see that there, and I will show you in comparison to silver plated ones. Obviously you can use sterling silver as well. If I'm changing the hooks on a sterling silver pair of earrings, I would obviously want to use solid sterling silver hooks as well. The plated ones don't last as long. The plating does eventually come off and they can tarnish as well. Obviously as well, you need to keep them clean with a tarnish cloth. The surgical steel ones don't tarnish at all, but as I say, they are darker, so it depends on whether they suit the earrings that you're changing them to. There are obviously gold options as well. I like gold tone surgical steel ones. I will link the ones that I use in the description as well so that you can take a look. There's also studs and hoops and things too, so you can have a look into that. So it's really simple to change over your hooks. When you're looking at the hook, you will notice that there is an opening on one side of the loop. You may need to move, if there's a bead, you may need to move it up so that you can see on this one it's closing at the bottom here. So all you need to do is take a pair of pliers. Again, I will link these in the description as well, but you don't need fancy ones, just cheap jewellery making pliers will do if you're just doing this with them. So you want to grab the loop where it joins, on the side that it joins, and just twist. You don't need to pull, just twist gently and then slide the earring off the hook. Do the same on the other one. So grab at the bottom and twist up, take it off the loop. This is so simple. Once you know how, you will be away. I spent years not buying second-hand earrings because I want to change the hooks. Once you know how to do it, you can do it every time, and they're relatively cheap as well to buy lots of. So exactly the same again on your replacement hook. So I'm just going to move the ball. So this one actually is on the other side. I'm just going to turn this one round and lift up, and then you simply slide it on and close down. Now, where you may come unstuck is that some earrings, this one wouldn't matter, but some earrings will face a certain way, and it might be that you need this loop to be facing sideways instead of forwards. All you need to do in that case is hold the whole loop with your pliers and then take the top part and with your other hand just twist until you've got the loop at the front, and then you can open in exactly the same way and hang your dangle on there. It's as simple as that, guys. I really hope that's helpful. Do let me know in the comments if it was. Please also check out the channel for more jewellery tutorials, thrift hauls, jewellery transformations and more. Hit that like for me if you enjoyed, and subscribe of course as well. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.